Uh, Hi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a moving model. So first of all, to make a moving model, you have to make a script. And it's not a local script or model script. It's just a script. Then you put for I equals 0, 100.12. Okay, then it's script the parent translate by I don't know how I don't know the name of this thing because I'm not a native speaker. Okay, so inside this you put vector3 dot new, and you also have to make the same thing as me. The caps lock has to be like this and this. You cannot make like a script as this. As you can see, it is gray, but if you put this, it's going to be blue because it's that. Okay, so you put this and you put the I from here, this I, here. Okay, then wait. This is the time here we should walk distance. Okay, so let's test. Okay, it's working. But if you see like oh no, it's going to the right. Let me show you something. Okay. Oh, also uh, this is the coordinate. X it's like the right right and left. Uh, Up. Wait a minute. Okay, so up and down is oh my god, wait a minute. Up and down is W. It's this thing here. And okay, and um the this part like wait, I'm gonna show you a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So this is the thing. Okay, so also sorry for bad English. If you are like, oh no, my position is oh no, my position is wrong, like that. So like that. See, it's going to the right. So you just make it the position 1, or you just rotate the object like this. Don't even try to make this. Sometimes it almost of the time it doesn't work. See, it just starts jumping. Okay, so I'm gonna try another a different one. Okay, so there's a tank. If you search for tank and choose the Brazilian tank, let's see, EETO, and put the same. I mean, let me show you something. Okay, so if you put the movie model right on the thing, it will just fall. Wait. Oh wait a minute. Something's wrong. Okay, got it. Okay, so no. Okay, so this is the script. Let's run. Okay, so it's just gonna fall and die. But if this is on a can collide model, it's gonna just fly. See. Okay, oh. Bye. Okay, so I want to try something. If but if for to fly, is it gonna fly or just jump? Let's try. Okay, oh boy. Oh, I can make a messiah or something. Okay. No, okay, who's that? Okay, so that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share to your friends. That's gonna really make my day because people will see my video. Because I just lost some subscribers. I mean 2 subscribers. Yeah, it's just some people, but it's the start of my channel. Um I only have just 74 people. So you know you can help me. Also join my Discord in the description, and thank you.